For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can hide and unhide applications on your phone. First, long press the icon of the application that you want to hide. Once you've long pressed the icon, press Remove App and then press Remove from Home Screen. This will only hide but not delete the application. Now, to unhide the application, just swipe left, look for the application or its icon, and then long press it. Here, you'll see the option to unhide the application. Once again, you can try it by long pressing another application's icon, then pressing the Remove app from the home screen. Another way to unhide it is by using the Search tab on your app library, long pressing it, and then swiping it over into your home screen. This will bring back the application's icon on your home screen so you can easily access it anytime you want. That's all for this tutorial, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.